I'll guide you through how to make a card. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝗀𝘀. On the home page, scroll down and click Choose a Starting Point button at the center. You can either start with a blank canvas or pick from a variety of pre-made templates that are offered by 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝗀𝘀. Templates can be filtered into categories such as profile for personal information, landing for promoting a product or app, form for data collection, portfolio to showcase your work, and section layout for more complex designs. Once you find a template that suits your needs, click Select to open it. You will direct it to the workspace, and here you can freely edit the template by clicking or dragging any element. For example, if you want to change your name, simply click on the text, look to the panel on the left, and type in your new name, for instance, Alexander. When you're satisfied with the change, click Done to save it. To see how your design looks in action, click the play button located at the top right of the screen to preview your website.